Hi friends, thanks for joining. Today Kat and I were craving something sweet, so we are going to make Chrissy Teigen's Apple Crumble. Doesn't it sound awesome? We thought so. I got my butter, got my sugar, got my apples. Let's get baking.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do, everyone, is your apples. We have 5 pounds of apples. I got Honey Crisp because I want it sweet.
Me too! Sweet and a little bit of sour.
Love this recipe. It's just boom, bing, bang, bada bing, right? Little lemon juice all over our apples. And then we're gonna add in cornstarch, cinnamon. Can't have apples without cinnamon. A little sugar.
Just a little bit.
Just a little.
For this part.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna mix, mix, mix.
So right now we're in September, and it's that weird month where summer's slowing down and it's kind of coming to an end, but it's not quite fall yet. Like, it's sort of cool, but then sometimes you get these really warm days too.
So what you're saying is it's really hard to figure out what you're gonna wear because it starts off cold and then you're like hot.
No, I was saying it's hard to know what to make for food. I'm sure there's some forgiveness if like your cinnamon doesn't cover everywhere, right? Like, I've got this apple with a ton of cornstarch and then a whole bunch with like nothing in it.
Mine is mixing beautifully.
Maybe I need a bigger bowl. What bowl? Yours is crowded too. How is yours mixing? All right, maybe I just need to keep at it. I'm wondering for this recipe if texture for me is going to be an issue, because we had made the blueberry crumble, which was delicious, and that was the first time I ever had crumble before, and I was hooked. Eat it with a side of vanilla ice cream, it's the best. So now that we're making the apple, I worry that it's going to be soggy, or maybe it doesn't matter, just as long as it's hot and sweet, right? I don't know.
All right, are you ready to make the yummy part, the best part? I mean, I love the apples, but the crumble is my favorite.
Wait. Apple goes into the prepared pan, which I have done here, a 9x13, greased with butter on all sides and bottom.
Good thing there's 2 of us.
Look at all these apples, it's so much. Hold on.
Did you leave your skin on?
She didn't say to take it off. I was wondering about that. But I thought, you know, it's going to be cooking for an hour, so I think it'll soften and not make a difference. That was my thought process.
Okay, we have it both ways. That's good. Good for the people.
The people. That's you. I have oats. I have cinnamon, flour, sugar, white and brown, and sliced almonds, and salt. I'm trying to think, did I put salt in mine? I think I did. I combined a few ingredients in one bowl. I've gotten in trouble for this though, before, and they don't always work out, but I'm 90% sure I have salt in this.
Okay, so we've mixed this really well, and the next thing we got to do is we are going to add our butter. 2 sticks of butter, and we cut it into little chunks, and we're going to put it right into our little dry mixture.
And you're going to use your hands.
Gonna get your hands in, we're gonna smush it and try to get into like little clumps. All right, now the fun stuff. I mean, like squishing was a lot of fun too, but now we get to mix everything. So we're just going to scatter the topping all over our apple to our heart's delight. There's no rules, right?
Well, except that it has to be on top. Done.
Perfect. So all we do now, put it in the oven, 350 for
1 hour.
1 hour.
All right, I cooked mine for exactly an hour, but on the inside it's a little bit liquidy, so I don't know if mine needs to cool a little longer. I'm sure it would thicken up because it's still hot. So are you ready to taste this?
Hey, Heck yeah. Got my ice cream and everything. Where's your ice cream? You got it?
Well, I have ice cream, but I'm gonna see if I like this first. I don't want to waste my ice cream. All right, got some apples. I got some oats.
Oops, I went out without you.
All right, but you share first what you think.
It's good. I'm interested in seeing, because I like this version, maybe on my off time, try Ina's and see if there's a difference. Because you know Ina is the queen.
It's really good. I'm kind of surprised because I love the blueberry with crumble so much because it could like burst with juice. And I was a little worried the apple might be not sugary enough. I love the crunch and I think it is ice cream worthy.
But Gina, does it qualify for your fancy ice cream?
Yeah, I just said it was ice cream worthy. Now I know you don't listen to me.
Well, thanks for joining us. Always having fun with us in the kitchen. Gina and I are not the perfect cooks, but we like to cook together. We like to cook with you guys. And this week we tried Chrissy Teigen's, and who knows what we're making next week. So make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, and we will see you guys again next week.
Awesome. Bye. Do we add the prosciutto?
So I added my red chili flakes.
So we add the prosciutto.
Yes.
Can you see this? Crispy garlic, crispy bruschetta.